Worley Steel Co Limited has been supplying steel products in Hong Kong for over 60 years. At the same time, they also provide one-stop solutions to customers in Hong Kong and the Greater Bay Area in terms of design, processing and modular construction. Matthew Lai, CEO of the company, said that due to the cramped and varied environment of construction sites in Hong Kong, they plan to introduce intelligent welding and improve the working environment in order to attract young people to join the profession.
Since construction work is done in such hot weather without air conditioning, young people are reluctant to join the profession. We'll make the learning easier and more systematic. This will help to pass on our construction and industrial know-how.
They introduced a portable welding robot weighing only some 20 kilograms from the Hong Kong Productivity Council with a user-friendly interface, which makes it extremely easy to program robotic welding on site.
You asked how much faster the robot is. If one operator operates 2 or even 3 of these robots, it's twice or 3 times as fast as manual welding.
They want to hand down the past knowledge to the next generation and achieve modernized operation.
We've been working with HKPC to record experiences of our old staff and systemize and digitize them. This will help to ensure the continuity of construction workers in Hong Kong.